Hey guys, welcome to AngularJS tutorial. In this session, I'll be telling you about model view and controller structure. So first of all, you should know what model view and controller is like the basic at least you should know. So I'll tell you in brief. View is nothing but the HTML part like whatever gets displayed on the screen. And then we have model. Model is the data set which is available for the current view. And then we have controller. Controller is nothing but which controls the data. It's a function. It's a function which controls the data. You can say it's a JavaScript function. Okay, so this is model view and controller. So what we are going to do is we'll just see how this thing works in AngularJS. So I've made one other file called controller.js. So what I'll do, I want to display a full name of a person on on the screen in combining both first name and last name. So first what I'm going to do is I'll just define something over here, name, or I'll just type username. So then okay, div. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'll just give the double curly braces, and whatever I want to display I'll write it over here. That's first name, last name. Okay, so okay, and one more thing, if you notice here is I've given the name some name to ng app. Till now, whatever we were doing, we were not giving any name to this ng app because all the code, everything we were writing in the same file itself. So it was not mandatory to give the name. But this app should be given a name because this file I'll be using in some other file so that I can refer it with this name. Okay, so okay, so let's go and write the controller part. Just keep on watching guys, I'll explain once I'm done writing it. Okay, so this is where we are defining the container, or you can say module, and here I need to give the name, but let's just write it first. So dot controller, then function. Okay, so under this function I need some object, right? Which properties to which properties I can use, and I can use like I need to display these things, right? First name and last name. So there has to be something which binds the data from here to here. So what I'll do is I'll define something called as scope, right? So scope dot first name John. Okay, and then scope dot last name. Okay, so this is what I've defined, but now there has to be some connection between these two files which we have not given yet. So what I'll do is first I'll give the app name to which app it has to refer to. So this is where we give the app name, and then what we'll do is see here app.controller, we need to give the controller name over here. So this part I'll define a controller name over here. Let's say my controller, and just copy and paste it over here. So now a connection has been made, so the data from here can go to this file and can be displayed in the view part. So now let's go and see if it works or not. Okay, this is showing some previous data. Okay, so I'll reload again. This is the previous data. This is the one which we just wrote. Okay, it's not getting displayed. Let's see what's wrong. Okay, controller app. This is also correct. Yeah, okay. We forgot to include the file. So script source, we have the name as controller. So controller.js. Okay, now it should work. So I'll just reload this. See, reload. See, now it's coming, right? So all you have to remember is you need to include the file name over here, and then you need to give your app name and controller name, and you should know where to include these names, the controller name and the app name. So this was all, like, not all about MVC, but like the very basic of MVC, how it is, how it works in AngularJS. So see you in next tutorial, guys. Thank you.